Hi guys, today I show you in this project they pour the concrete for pier boxes or pedestal. You can see the size for the anchor bolt, 1.5 inch, and here you have V-dowel. You can see V-dowel everywhere. Those the Z-bar. And this size, that's the shape. So later you will get control joint from that point. Same thing here. You can see that the string for the building line. That's another pier boxes. You can see the V-bar or V-dowel. And here those dowel for mason work, because here there will be 8 inches CMU block wall here, over there, and there in this corner. Here they started to dig for other foundation going this way. You can see that's different elevation, different depth. Yeah, that's here, that's concrete, great concrete, 4,000 psi. They use vibrators, so there is no segregation. You cannot see gravel or stone. Everything is fair face and smooth. Yeah. Yeah, columns all the way around. You can see there, and over there some interior columns, over there exterior columns. You can see here, need to show you the shape for the pedestal or that piers at the corner of the building. You can see that's the right shape. You can see here V-dowel everywhere, each pedestal. So that will be run through the 6 inches thick slab to tie the slab to that pier boxes. You can see the size and diameter for those anchor bolt at the corner. It's 1 inch. It's different than those anchor bolts here, 1.5 inches. You can see that's a good work. Thank you.